Good morning, class 11th. Today we are going to start the first chapter of human physiology, that is breathing and exchange of gases. So first of all, we should know what is respiration. It is a chemical reaction that happens in all the living organisms, including plant cell as well as animal cell. In this process, the energy is released or stored in the form of glucose or ATP, and that energy is utilized by the various other chemical processes which are needed for the survival of living organism. Mechanism of breathing vary among different groups of animals, mainly on their habitat and level or of organization. The respiratory organs that are present in various living organisms are in poriferans or sponges, coelentrates and flatworm. They do not have any spatial organ or structure for the exchange of gases. So in these organisms, exchange of gases take place by simple diffusion from the entire body surface. In earthworm, exchange of gases take place through the moist cuticle which is present on the body. When we talk about the terrestrial arthropods, they have either a branch system of tube which is called as trachea or the book lungs as their respiratory organs. Similarly, gills are the respiratory organs in mollusks, aquatic arthropods, hemichordates, urochordates, and among vertebrates in fishes and tadpoles of frog and toads. Adult amphibians like frog and toads have pulmonary respiration as well as cutaneous respiration. So what does it mean? What is the meaning of pulmonary respiration? That is the respiration which is done by or in the presence of lungs. Cutaneous respiration is that respiration which is done by skin. In reptile, birds and mammals, they have lungs for the process of respiration. So these are the various respiratory organs which are present in different type of organisms. In context of respiration, we have heard another very important term which is related to the respiration, that is breathing. So before we study about the human respiratory system in detail, we should know what is the difference between breathing and respiration. Breathing is basically the process of inhalation of O2 and exhalation of carbon dioxide. Whether the respiration is the oxidation of food to produce carbon dioxide, water and energy. Breathing is basically a physical process while respiration is biochemical process. Breathing does not release any kind of energy, rather energy is utilized during the process of breathing. But in respiration, energy is released in the form of ATP, that is adenosine triphosphate. Breathing is completely extracellular process while respiration occurs inside the cell and hence known as intracellular. Breathing does not involve any kind of enzyme, but respiration involves lots of enzyme for the smooth running of the process. Breathing is confined to certain organs only, but respiration occurs in each and every living cell of the body. So here is the difference between breathing and respiration. Respiration is more broader term which include breathing plus the breakdown of energy. So the respiration in brief is breathing plus oxidation of food.